You're still weak because you're still wearing the cross. The only cross he ever wore is the human body. The only cross that Christ ever wore. No wooden cross. He was never crucified on any wooden cross. He was crucified at the birth of a child. That is when Christ is crucified. And he wears it until the very end, when he comes into the state called the birth of Christ. And you're born from your own skull. That's where you're born. Not from the womb of a woman. That's crucifixion. You are born from the skull, your own skull. And you come out of it. And then memory returns. The whole thing is the returning of memory. You never left your immortal home, save in your dream. But you had to dream the dream of life. As your forefathers did, so must you. And in the end, we are all one. One universal family. Without loss of identity, we awaken from it all, and we are God the Father. So where do you live? Well, where you live psychologically, may I tell you, is entirely up to you.